Hindi, mababa. Yung kay kaya na kasi.
Ate, akit lang po ako ah.
Hindi po.
Ay. Ano naman?
Ngayon lang nangyari to. Itong edad ko to, 75 na ako, sa pulpa sa pagkabata, bumabaha pero hindi ganyan kagrabe.
Grabe, parang dinaanan ng ipo-ipo na punong-puno ng putik lahat ng loob. Eh, buti na lang, kahit paano, yung pera na lang ang sinate natin para may panggasto.
Yung iba po napanood namin dito sa ilog, sumasakay sila sa kwan, sa puno, kumakapit na lang. Inaanod. Wala kaming mahinging rescue dahil lahat lubog eh. Oo. Hindi daw, kasi lahat ng mga sasakyan, ano na, lubog na, sira na. Kaya kanya-kanya na lang kaming ligtas ng mga pamilya namin.
Right now we're in Marikina in the Philippines, and right behind you is an example of what the future might bring for us with regards to climate change. A typhoon just passed through the Philippines and has brought unprecedented amount of rainfall, which we have never seen in many decades. Greenpeace has deployed volunteers and inflatable boats and logistics to be able to help in any way we can. But this is not enough. What really needs to be done is for industrialized nations to put money on the table in Copenhagen for adaptation, mitigation, and forest protection.